Hey everyone, Joseph Zabrowski. I'm doing this video to let you know regarding our MPower Wealth program and the Apiary Fund that there's been a major announcement. As you know, I've told you about that we have fly-ins like every month. They're going to be ending. It appears, well, I can't say that they're going to end for sure, but it appears our last fly-in is going to be here at the end of November or end of February. Um, for a couple of days. And same deal, we fly you in, take care of your plane flight and your hotel accommodations. If you are really interested in, becoming a forex trader and changing your life, because you can really do it with this. But here's the bigger announcement that um, you really want to listen to because we just learned this today, actually. The master affiliate in our group spent some time with the CEOs with MPower Wealth and the Apiary Fund over the last few days, and they came up with this new deal, and this is it, okay? For the people who become part of the Apiary Fund, now keep in mind, to become part of the Apiary Fund, there's a $2,000 program, a $5,000 program, and a $10,000 program. We will be offering the 10,000 for 8,000, okay? But for the people who become part of the program and join at one of those levels, um, and go through the course, it takes time to go through the course. It's very in-depth that you become a real trader, okay? And once you go through the course and you are trading at a level where you're being profitable, they will fund your account with the amount of money that you put into your program. So if you came in at $2,000, they're going to fund your account with 2,000, come in at 5,000, 5,000, 10,000, 10,000. So in other words, you get that money back. It's like they're holding your money in escrow and then training you because they want you to become a great trader. And then you start the program. But here's the big announcement, okay? When all these guys met this last week, this is what they came up with. For the people who go to this next fly-in, all right, and who become part of the Apiary Fund, what they're going to do is everyone who gets funded, they go through the program and they get funded, all right? Let's say there's 100 people that get funded at the $10,000 level. Whatever you get funded at, they're going to put 5 to 20% of your funding amount into a fund, okay? And Shawn Lucas, who's the CEO, he's one of the best forex traders in the world. We're told he's a billionaire, okay? He's about as good as it gets. The guy's a really nice guy too, okay? Shawn Lucas and his top 20 traders, he has over 1,800 traders. His top 20% of his 20% of his top traders and Shawn are going to trade the fund that they create, that they take 5 to 20% out of those people who get funded. They put that in a fund and they're going to let that fund build for our group, okay? So the people who come in and the people that we bring in, this is going to be an ongoing thing for the next at least 10 years, okay? That's what Shawn has said. All right, now, so as people continue to come in, let's say we get to the point where there's 1,000 people who are in the program from our group, and so let's say there's 1,000 people at some point who get funded at the $10,000 level, 5 to 20% of what they get funded at goes into the fund. And as you remember, as you continue to go to trade with the Apiary Fund, they continue to add money to your account. Okay, so for example, if you were to get funded at the $10,000 level, they will fund your account up to $250,000. So let's say a guy gets in at 10,000, they take 5 to 20%, whatever they decide what that percentage will be. They take 5 to 20%, put it in their trading fund. Okay, now let's say that same guy who started out at 10,000, let's say a year down the line, he's funded at 250,000 by the Apiary Fund. Well, 5 to 20% of the 250,000 is going to go into that trading fund, in which Shawn and his top 20% of his traders are going to trade. And every quarter, they are going to give us our share of the profits. Everybody who is in our program. That's just for our team, you guys. Okay? Now, if you've been with me in the past, I've turned you on to like MG. Okay? I'm not going to get into that whole MG thing. Okay? I made a lot of money, and you guys who are in MG, you're all making money. He pays you every week. Okay? I'm not going to get into what happened. All right? But I will tell you this much. Okay? MG apologized to me many, 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 many times for how he threw me under the bus. Okay? If you don't believe me, ask him. All right? So I left that group, and a lot of you guys are still in that group, and this is to me, it's way beyond that. Okay? So not only will you be making through your own forex trading and learning a skill that you can use for the rest of your life, but this fund is going to be traded indefinitely, at least for the next 10 years, we are told. And so every quarter, you're going to get your profits from what they trade. And I was talking to the master affiliate today, and he was saying that, we could get to the point where quarterly earnings could be like $1 million or close to $1 million. I know that, in the beginning, it's going to be smaller because we're going to grow. But the point is that our group is going to have our own fund in which Shawn, the CEO, and his top 20% traders are going to trade throughout the year. And every quarter, we're going to get profits, okay, in addition to our own profits that we make in the market. This is an amazing opportunity. And if you want to get flown in and your accommodations taken care of to the event, which is at the end of February, you need to let me know by Monday, because Monday is the deadline for that. After Monday, if you still want to be part of this, you can still do it. You can go to the meeting in Las Vegas, but you're going to have to, fund your own trip and everything. So that is it. I'll put my phone number below this video. You need to contact me as soon as possible if you want to be part of this. I'm telling you guys, this is to me, it's primo. So I'll put my phone number below this. And then also, to do this, you have to become part of the MPower Wealth program. It's like a $179 affiliate fee, because when you become part of the MPower Wealth program, you're also becoming part of the Apiary Fund. So that is it. And this is for people who really want to do it. We're not like offering this to people who just want to take a look at it and then go think about it. We're introducing this to people who have looked at the program. They know it's good, and they'd like to make a move. So that is it. If you have any questions, let me know. Phone number below the video. Take care. God bless.